Today I was really amazed with the first reading. Why? Abraham was called by the Lord outside during the day and told him, "Look at the stars in the sky." Can you imagine that he looked up and God told him, "Your generation will be as many as the stars." And what happened to him? He believed. Did he see the stars during the day? Can you see them? You don't see them. But they are there. And so do you not believe then? It is like this with faith. God's word here is telling us everything about what we should believe. And do you believe in that? If you have that same faith as Abraham, knowing that what God is saying to us is true, then miracles you will experience in your life and you will be very happy. But you may have to wait patiently, believing always.